Well, good morning. We are on Pattaya Beach, and I notice that the rain clouds are starting to roll in here behind me, but that's okay. I think we've got a good hour to get a nice walk in. Today, I'm going to show you where I go to get my equipment repaired. I travel with pretty much everything that I own in one backpack. It gets tightly packed in there. And then I throw it in the overheads on airplanes and buses, and I'm walking around with it, hotel to hotel. Well, that of course is going to wear and tear on our equipment. Today I'm going to show you where I go to get equipment repaired. I'm bringing you along with me, and that is part of this nomad life. I'm also going to show you some great meals that are probably going to be oriented around the rainy day. So we'll do our best, you know. It happens, right? You got to have some rainy days sometimes as well. I don't mind it at all. That's just life. Okay, I've got a lot to show you about this part of nomad life, which is maintaining our equipment. Don't just throw it away. Fix it and keep using it because it's good equipment. That's why we bought it. All right, let's get going. Managing my equipment is very important. I don't want to just buy all new stuff. I want to repair it as it breaks. Every once in a while things do break completely. You have to swap it out. It happens. But if I can manage it and repair it, that's better. So today I'm going to take you to a place where I get my electronic equipment repaired. There are problems that I'm having. Right now I'm having a problem with my laptop. It's not charging well. I can understand. That laptop has been with me for years. I've taken it through the Middle East. I've taken it all over the world, Latin America, all through Southeast Asia. I give it credit that it's survived this long. And it has been a great little lightweight laptop. I don't want to get rid of it. I want to fix it. So I'm taking you to where I get that taken care of today. Within walking distance, no problem, is Toom, and I'll show you a map as to where this is. Toom is multiple levels of electronic equipment here in Pattaya. You can buy new, of course, but you can get all used, everything from cameras to laptops to cell phones. You can repair whatever you need as well. Each floor here has different stuff. The second floor is all cell phones. The third floor is laptops and desktops and things like that. Let's start out on the computer and laptop level. There are so many shops up here that sell parts for laptops and computers, replacement and brand new as well. I'm going to stop over at this shop here. I've been here before. They have lots of little equipment, and I have a problem with my charging cable. It is not charging my computer, and it does power it up, but it won't charge it. So sure enough, they had a replacement. And here you go. I want to show it to you here. It's got the little lightning bolt there, so it is charging. And I know I need to clean my lens there. I got to clean the screen. This is a great place to go up here, and there's several just like this. They have everything you're looking for. They have these Wi-Fi or Bluetooth setup, mice. They have all the adapters that you need if you're doing any kind of video or photographic work while you're traveling. They have it. So we're going to let this charge now for a while back in the room, but we still have something else that we need to repair as well. So this whole video is going to be about, you know, keeping up our equipment when this stuff happens. So let's keep going. Now we're going to make it down one more level to the cell phone level. Everything you can think of is here. Okay, so let's go down to the cell phone level. There's another item that we need to take a look at, and let's see if we can get that fixed as well. We've got about, I think, 3 things to do today, so I'm glad to have you along. There are brands here, you know, from all over the world. If you need replacement parts, repairs, or you're looking to buy brand new, as well as all the tripods, audio equipment, microphones, it's all here. This is so good. You guys have good stuff. Okay, this one here? Yeah, this one looks good. Okay. It's good. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Both the laptop and the 3-in-1 charger that I use, they are now good to go. I was lucky to find that 3-in-1 charger. That's a good price, and it was a much better quality than the one that I had. The rain is coming down, so we're going to find ourselves a bite to eat in this rain. No problem. I don't mind at all. Give me a nice hot noodles just like this. Freshly made, lots of different choices. The one that I pick is the one that has a mix of all the different meats that they make. They just put a little bit of each type in there. Perfect on a rainy day. And for $1.50, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, look at that. I'm going to add in just a little bit of spice, not too much. This stuff gets hot quick. And a little bit of the other spices that they have here. Perfect. This is just what I need. Sit down, nice and hot, nice noodles, different meats in there. You can get it with all kinds of vegetables. You can get it with all vegetables. Whatever you're looking for, just kind of point. They have multiple pictures. That's the way a lot of these carts are. You can walk up to them, you point to the picture of what you want, and they make it for you. And on a rainy day like this, this is just what I need. This is the way that I eat when I travel. By the way, if you need healthcare while you are traveling like a nomad like this, the first link in my description, you will find Nomad Healthcare information, Nomad Insurance, and Nomad Healthcare. Good. The rain is not going to stop us. We've got things to repair today. I'm just going to let it calm down and see if maybe I can take one of the motorbike taxis safely today. If not, I'll try to jump on one of these bot buses. But we have things to fix today. We got to keep going. My backpack gets put through it. Oh my gosh. My backpack gets tossed all over the place. And everything I own, pretty much about 99% of what I own in the world goes in that backpack as I travel. And for that reason, it gets busted up. But it's a great backpack, and I would rather repair it than get rid of it and have to buy another one. So for that reason, I'm going to show you where I go to get my backpack worked on. I have also had shorts repaired here, all of that. And so here in Pattaya, instead of just buying something new, I would rather repair it. Let's go and get my backpack worked on right now. All right, let's get going here. Right here. Okay, good. We survived and we made it. This is a bag and shoe repair, and this is not my first time to swing by here. I'll give you a location here on Soi Mu 10. You know it by the best German food and barbecue, a popular place for expats. I want to see that like that, yeah. That's perfect. Over 7 years of use around the world. See, it's kind of tearing right here. Kind of tearing right there a little bit, yeah, and then also right here, right there, it's tearing. So what I'm thinking is, can we fix all this all the way around? Yeah, with like webbing like this. Oh, right there. That looks perfect right there. Okay, so it's going to take about 2 hours to do this bag. And so with 2 hours, maybe we do a little repair and upkeep on ourselves. Let's go take and get a nice 2-hour Thai massage. Let's go do that. One great thing about these little side roads is the massage places are fantastic. They're less expensive, and the people that work there, they take things so serious. They practically own the store. And so they really take what they do seriously. That's fantastic, getting a 2-hour massage like that. You know, it's maintenance for us. It's not just our equipment, but it's maintenance for our body, especially on a rainy day like this. You know, years ago when I came to Thailand, if I was on a rainy day like this, I might just spend the day drinking or something like that. Back in those days, I didn't take as good a care of myself. It's much better now to get a good 2-hour massage like this. The rain has stopped, and let's go check on our backpack and see how that's doing. Okay, Let's take a look at this here. Oh man, look at that. That's great. Woo. That's fantastic. The rain is starting to kick back in again, but just slowly. So let's stop and get ourselves a fresh made pad Thai noodles right here. They throw an egg in here. They'll throw a little bit of chicken, a little bit of tofu. They'll spice it up if you want to, but they kind of know when someone like me walks over, they'll make it without spice and give you the spice packet on the side, okay? When you see these little carts like this, just stop and pick something up. This meal will come up to $2. So just grab one, and that way you can take it back to your room and you have something to eat, especially in the rain like this. You don't have to worry about walking to a restaurant later that night. You've got a nice meal to munch on later. It's fresh. Perfect. I've got myself a good meal, but I didn't make it very far because I saw these chickens roasting and I was like, are you kidding me? This is another reason why I love these little back roads here in Pattaya, because you get these little local operations. I asked for half a chicken. Half a chicken came up to $3. I was like, yes, please. And they had a really nice spicy sauce that came with it that was just deep and savory as well. I've never tried this particular sauce before, but it's very rich. It's almost like a spicy black bean in a way. Here we go. Let's take a look at what I've got. This is the half chicken, roasted, fresh, $3. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh. This is the way that I like to eat when I'm traveling. I try to keep my meals to $10 a day if I can. Sometimes I'll go to a restaurant and sit down and it will be a little bit more than $10, but that's like my target. And then you get this nice fresh pad Thai noodles. Comes with green onion to put on top, a little bit of lime to squeeze on top. Just delicious. Again, you get a little packet of spice on the side to throw in there. So don't worry about it. Just order one. Just order it and get back to your room, get out of the rain, and relax and enjoy. This is the 18 Coins hotel that I'm staying at, and they have a big lounge area with Wi-Fi. So I could come here and not even go up to the room. I could sit here and eat. I want to thank you for spending some time with me today. I got a chance to show you how I manage and maintain my equipment. My equipment goes through a lot. I am constantly carrying everything that I own in one backpack on all kinds of different transportation and staying in different hotel rooms. It gets thrown around, it gets used a lot, and it gets busted up. And while I'm here, I repair it. And that's what I wanted to show you today. You don't have to just buy all new stuff. Sometimes you have to, but you don't have to. You can actually get stuff repaired and keep going much cheaper. You have good equipment, maintain it. If you take care of your equipment, it will take care of you. That is what we used to say in the military, and it's so true in this phase of my life as well. Do you want to learn more about this lifestyle? Do you want to learn more about traveling the world as a minimalist? Traveling with one backpack, low cost, retiring and enjoying this beautiful planet that we live on? Well, if you do, like and subscribe to the video and come along with, because that's exactly what we cover here. If you want to know more about the equipment that I travel with, like the great sandals that have gotten me through for years now and protected my feet, there's a link in the description for that. If you want to know more about this backpack, the brand and different versions of it, I put a link in the description for that as well. Okay, it's been a great day today and I got a lot done, and I'm glad you came with. We will talk again soon. Aloha. I wasn't bothering nobody on the streets of Pattaya when he saw me. The mad dog of Pattaya Beach. Just look at him, stalking me. He wanted to test my scent and see if he was gonna rip me from limb to limb, this man. He decided no. I would rather have myself a drink of water than the taste of your flesh. I don't mind the rain, but sometimes it can be where, you know, who wants to walk in the rain and get sick, right? Okay, I don't like that. Let's try that again.